GeminAI 3.5 review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called GeminAI 3.5 whatever, okay? So this is the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you click the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab GeminAI 3.5 copy here. Click on that link and come to the sales page right here. It says launching soon, so I think it's going to generate some images for you, but you have to keep scrolling and you can see these are those images, and you have a demo video as well on the sales page somewhere. So let's keep scrolling, and I will talk about the bonuses in the end. So let me show you where is the demo video if I can find. This is the demo video, okay? So you have to scroll the sales page maybe 75%, then you will find this demo video. So this is launching on 21st of July 2026. So go and check this out if you want this or not. And then we have some reviews. So you also may only want to buy this if you want my bonuses, because sometimes you might not need the product for which we are doing the review. Instead, you only want the bonuses. So if you just want the bonuses, still you have to go and buy this using my link below. So let's go and talk about the OTOs. So OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see 8 OTOs right here. So this is your front end and whatever, man. I'm not interested into any of this, okay? So I am doing the review only for the sake of the review, because I make money in my own ways. So we will discuss how to make money online using my real methods. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you want to know what this product does, then go and watch the demo video which we have shown you, and then you can buy this. And now we will discuss what bonuses you can get if you go and buy using my link below. So if you only want my bonuses, then go and grab the copy using my link below, whether you want this product or not. So just watch the video till the end. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what forex trading is, okay? And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading, okay? So in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos, okay? So the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget, okay? Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic, okay? So when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks, okay? So go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the GeminAI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day, and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately, and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well, okay? But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay? So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay? Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, GeminAI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt, and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay? And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay? I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay? So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay? Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay? I told you I sell this separately, okay? So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay? So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.